Today's recipe: spicy chicken and veggie macaroni pasta. Water in a pot. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Mix. Macaroni pasta, 500 grams. Add macaroni pasta in a boiling water. Boil 10 to 12 minutes. Boiled. Drain the water out. Transfer to the bowl. Oil, 1 teaspoon. Mix it. Oil, a half cup. Chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon. Ginger, 1 tablespoon. Green chili, 1 tablespoon. Stir and fry, few seconds. Boneless chicken, 1 cup. Stir and fry until color changes. Salt to taste. Chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Stir. Soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon. Sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. Hot sauce, 3 tablespoon. Ketchup, 3 tablespoon. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. Cook 5 minutes. Carrots, a half cup. Green and red bell pepper, a half cup. Cabbage, 1 cup. Onion, 1 cup. Some spring onion. Add boiled macaroni pasta. Cook 5 to 6 minutes. Add coriander leaf. Mix. Almost done. Garnish with spring onion. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.